Are you let's prep it and get ready for it, or are you take it as it comes kind of person when it comes to following a sketch? Well, this time I'm being a let's get ready and be prepared. Let's have a look at it. Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and as we close off January, I thought I would do a kit prep for Follow a Sketch February. So I'm doing days 1 to 5 at the moment, and I will do another one later with some more kits. So day number 1. Now at all times I reserve the right to collect more ephemera and cardstock that I need as the layout evolves, but this is the general gist of what I'm going to use. I'm going to not show you the photos because that will be a bit of a spoiler. So I'm got a journaling card, I've got lots of scraps, I've got a tag, got a fairy, some more here, and you can see all these lovely pieces here. And the dreaded cardstock, white with black. So let's see how this one comes out. So that's going to be for layout number 1, sketch number 1 of Follow a Sketch February. So I'm going to put that down like so. And just as Vicky Booten does, I'm paper clipping everything together so that I know that that is one set there. Okay, day 2. Day 2 is another interesting one. Another 2 photo one again. I've got a little bit of ephemera there. That's a bit of a hint maybe. I've got some scrap that I might need. I've got a fussy cut one here from Scrapbook Fantasy's Beautiful Family, and this background. So that definitely will probably pull in some cardstock, but I'm not sure what color yet. That's why I haven't done it. So I'm just going to put that together. So that's page 2, day 2, sketch 2. Okay, so the next one, oh, this one's going to be a bit of fun, and the story behind this one's a little bit of fun, but I'm not going to tell you now. You're just going to have to wait and see. So this one, yeah, so I've got a bit of a thing. I've got this bit of scrap, I've got this, and I've got that, and I have wood grain for this one. Once again, I will probably pull in some cardstock on this one, but that is for day number 3. Yes, that's day number 3. All right, day number 4. Once again for this one, my photos to the side. I'm going to be using both sides of these papers, that one and this one, and this cardstock, which is a beautiful cherry reddy color. So that's all going together. Interesting. So that one is day 4. So that's February the 4th. Make sure you come back and you check out what I'm doing with each of these. Very interesting combinations. Then I have day 5 pulled, and once again I have lots of photos for that one. I've pulled in this one, which is a bit of a hint obviously, and this one I'm going to be using this and this cardstock. And once again, there'll probably be die cuts and the titles and all that sort of stuff that will come with the page. So these are the bare bones of my packs that I'm going to do for the first 5 days of Follow a Sketch February. Now, this is a hop. This is a creative month with scrapping reflections, and we are following sketches just to make it a little bit more interesting. And I can't wait to see what Sandy has encouraged everybody to create. Sandy Raveski, the State Goddess on YouTube. I'll put all her details down below. I'll put the Facebook group details down below for you to go and check it out and play along. But there will be a playlist as well, which I will put down the bottom, because there is going to be a whole lot of people playing, and you're going to be so inspired by all the different ways that people interpret sketches and use the prompts to create individual pages. So I have page 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 ready to go. You need to come back and check out what I'm doing. Don't leave me hanging there, everybody. You know you want to come and see what I'm doing with it. Give me a thumbs up if you like my kits already. Leave me a comment what you think I might be creating with each of them, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks once again for watching. Hopefully I've done enough to earn a thumbs up from you, and stay creative, friends. Here's my next video for you, and I'll see you on the sketch all in action real soon.